Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nizzysplayhouse. It's your girl Nizzy, and I'm back again. This time I got a review for a wig that was sent to me by Longqi Hair. So they sent me this 12-inch bob or whatever, and I turned it this nice subtle blue color. You might not see it on camera. Like, it's not like jet black. It's like a denim color, if you will. And if you aren't doing so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl in my YouTube journey. I did not, and I'm sorry, record the part of me dip dyeing it because I used the water dye method. But I do have a video on how to do that, so I'll leave that up above, so check that out. I have flat ironed it, I have dyed it, I have plucked the part, like everything. This is the wig, this is it, this is how it's gonna look. So my honest thoughts, I love the hair. I love the hair, but I don't like the construction of the wig cap. Like, it's like too small. I can't even like glue it down if I wanted to. I had spent a lot of time plucking and tweezing the hairline, and it did not come out like how I wanted it to because I'm not able to, you know, get this down. So this is kind of a one style unit, if you will. So I have it set in the middle part, and that's how it's gonna be worn. This is a middle part only wig. Yeah, I mean, other than that, I like the hair, but I do not like the construction of the cap. I don't know if they have sizes or if you can choose, but I think they sent me the smallest one, and like, I think I have a huge head, and it definitely ain't working. But overall, I love the cut of the unit. It's kind of like an angle bob. You see that? Like, it's so cute. The hair was easy to bleach, and it did turn a good 27. So you know it's good hair when it, you know, turns that color, you know, off of one bleach. So I do like the hair. The hair is soft, and it didn't have any smell, any texture. And this wig was only $90, you guys, and I ordered it from Amazon. So Longqi Hair, they are usually like a popular brand on YouTube, so make sure you guys check out other reviews if you are looking on purchasing this hair, because don't just rely on me, because I'm just telling you guys my opinion on this hair. I have no complaints about the hair at all. It's just the wig that's getting to me. Like, I don't like how small it is. I guess that's just me, but I don't like how small it is. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about the hair. Let me know if you, you know, like this color. Let me know, girl. Let me know down in the comments box what's up. And as always, thanks for watching.